This video introduces the height of lifting knife from the perspective of a warp on the fabric. Usually, the harness of an electronic jacquard machine is equipped with left side, main body, right side. The main body usually hangs and warp yarns. For example, 2688 hooks electronic jacquard machine. When N is 6, controls approximately 15000 warp yarns. That is to say, if one hook error occurs on the electronic jacquard machine, there should be N warp yarn errors on the main body. This can be used to determine whether it is a problem with the electronic jacquard machine or a harness problem. On the left side of the figure above is a module. A module has its baseline. The baselines of all modules form the datum plane of the electronic jacquard machine. The datum plane should be horizontal, mainly depending on a. The accuracy and assembly accuracy of the module box are mainly guaranteed by the electronic jacquard machine manufacturer. B. Installation and commissioning of electronic jacquard machine in weaving factory. The height of the knife lift of the module on the left side of the figure above needs to be controlled within a certain range. C. If the height of lifting knife is too bigger, it will cause hook errors. It appears as fabric error, but in fact it is mainly due to a problem with the attracts when the module is powered on. It is easy to be spotted by the worker. D. If the height of lifting knife is too small, it will cause mechanical impact on the electronic jacquard machine, thereby shortening the service life of the electronic jacquard machine. It is not easy to detect and is usually discovered through real-time online detection data. For details, please watch the video. The height of the lifting knife determines the service life of the electronic jacquard machine, and the height of the lifting knife affects the service life of the mechanical part of the electronic jacquard machine. In actual work, the height of lifting knife for the electronic jacquard machine mainly depends on the static height of lifting knife and the dynamic deformation of the lifting knife, as shown on the right side of the figure above. When the electronic jacquard machine stops working, the static height of lifting knife should be adjusted or should be checked with a professional tool. For example, the basic distance meter, BasicWave. Please watch the video, Introduction to BasicWave, a basic distance meter for electronic jacquard machines. The required static height of lifting knife. The predetermined value of the height of lifting knife is not fixed and is usually affected by the working speed and working temperature. Regarding the predetermined value of the height of lifting knife. For details, please watch the video, How to determine the predetermined value of the height of lifting knife. Regarding working speed. For details, please watch the video, Different working speeds require different lifting heights. Regarding working temperature. For details, please watch the video, The Effective Temperature on the Height of the Lifting Knife of Electronic Jacquard Machine. Therefore, the measurement accuracy of professional tools is 0.1 mm, which is equivalent to the measurement accuracy of a vernier caliper. The dynamic deformation of the lifting knife is difficult to measure, because there are many factors involved, such as the material of the lifting knife, the dynamic load of the electronic jacquard machine, etc. Electronic jacquard machines using traditional modules mainly take the following measures. E. Check the static height of lifting knife. Usually the 4-point method is used. When the electronic jacquard machine stops working, the height of the knife is statically checked. Once it is found that the height of the lifting knife is inconsistent, it means that the lifting knife has undergone irrecoverable deformation, and all the lifting knives of this electronic jacquard machine need to be replaced. F. The lifting knife is surface treated. Choose the lifting knives with surface treatment. This surface treatment here ensures the hardness of the upper surface of the knife and the rigidity of the knife within a certain range, thereby extending the service life of the knife. On the other hand, if the lifting knife of the electronic jacquard machine has no surface treatment, may not be suitable for applications with large loads or large load changes. It may even shorten the service life of the knife. Electronic jacquard machines using traditional modules. Usually, 1. The requirements for the mechanical part of the electronic jacquard machine are relatively high. For example, all lifting knives reach their highest position at the same time. 2. Although it reduces the work of the module. For example, when eating, the mechanical part feeds the meal to the mouth of the module, and the module only needs to open its mouth to eat. As for when to open mouth and how long to open mouth, it mainly depends on the signal timing of proximity switch C1 and proximity switch C2. That is to say, the electrical part of the electronic jacquard machine causes all modules to be powered on and to be powered off at the same time according to the instructions. Signal timing of proximity switch C1 and proximity switch C2. Regarding traditional modules, please watch the video, Living State of Electronic Jacquard Machine Modules. For this reason, we have developed a system similar to YH918 and added third-party power. The attraction and release of the electromagnet can be sensed, and the dynamic height of lifting knife of each module can be sensed. Not discussed in this video. Please refer to related videos for details. Please let us know if you have any doubts. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.